On today's video, we're going to be tackling issues on early chick mortalities, whereby most farmers, I bet you being a farmer, tend to have feared brooding, the brooding stage, where the brooding stage is where you supplement on matters, heat, feeds, drinks, drinking water and all that. Now we're going to have a way on how to minimize, how you, the farmer, will minimize the early chick mortality on the first week of life. On the first week, you've been taken through by Vet Mwangi of Lamo Vet Care Poultry Department on ways on reducing early chick mortality. Now, our number one point is there's a product called liquid paraffin. Liquid paraffin increases the chick appetite. You should introduce it an hour to two before introducing feeds. Where it will be able to, the bird will be able to have minimal cases of pause. Liquid paraffin increases chick appetite, whereby this chick will be able to because of this chick has never eaten, it will lubricate the digestive tract, having this with that being the second advantage of using liquid paraffin to chicks. Our third point, it increases the survival of chicks by one, this chick will not have the constipation, which in return tends to increase the chick's survival. Helps in clearing the throat in preparation for ingestion. This bird has never fed, so and we tend to find chick feeds having more mash. They are quite coarse, and so you'll tend to find the ingestion and palatability being questionable. So when you introduce liquid paraffin to chicks, to day-old chicks, one, it helps in clearing the throat. Two, survival of chicks. Three, lubrication. Four, it increases the chick appetite. Wow. When it lubricates the GIT, the digestive tract, you are able to minimize cases of constipation. And constipation tends to kill your birds, stress your birds, and in the end having economic losses. Yes, and by that you are able to go into losses starting from day one. So have your dose of liquid paraffin. Liquid paraffin can also be used to get rid of parasites. Where you'll mix it with petroleum jelly and then apply. If it's on a matter of freeze, you'll tend to apply where the chicks, where the fleas are, and they'll be able to it will be able to control the infestation of those parasites. So when liquid paraffin can be sourced from your local veterinary pharmacy, and it is a must get it from a licensed veterinary pharmacy, and by that you're able to minimize on early chick mortality. Now when you combine liquid paraffin with a product such as Liptovit E, Liptovit Multivit from the company Liptosa, this vitamin has some vitamin E and selenium, so that is a plus to the birds. Some has some vitamins and quite a number of vitamins, quite a number of amino acids. So you should have it in as a go-to product while you are raising your chicks, and by that you'll be able to minimize you're able to minimize early chick mortality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for our next upcoming video. I've been taken through the video by Vet Mwangi of Lamu Vet Care Poultry Department. See you in our next video.